Hi. Welcome to our channel. We share tips and strategies to help you achieve your weight goal, so please subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you'll be updated with our latest videos, because we want you to be healthy and happy. 5-pound weight loss in 1 week. It's a common stereotype, and whether you need to lose weight for health reasons or simply want to look better, it might seem fairly appealing. Technically, some people can lose that much in that time, but it's not something we'd recommend, and it's certainly not a healthy approach. You might lose that much, which may be mostly water, on a low-carb or keto diet, but you'll likely gain it all back as soon as you decide it's time to eat carbs again. Furthermore, because weight reduction, in general, is largely reliant on your metabolism and a variety of other characteristics specific to you, such as physical activity and body composition, that promise will not be fulfilled for everyone. If you're still trying to lose weight, there are a few simple tips that apply to practically all of us, and they are strategies we can start implementing right now. Here are 14 simple weight loss strategies you can start right away to lose weight quickly and safely. Number 1. Consume more veggies on a regular basis. I guarantee it's that easy. You are on the correct route to greater health if you consider making any meal primarily vegetables, at least half of whatever you're eating. Number 2. Create a better breakfast. Breakfast is the most essential meal of the day, since it sets the tone for the rest of your day. Breakfasts that will fill you up, keep you satisfied, and prevent cravings later in the day are the best. Aim for 400 to 500 calories for your morning meal, and include a source of lean protein, as well as satisfying fat, like eggs, unsweetened Greek yogurt, nuts, or nut butters, and fiber, such as veggies, fruit, or 100% whole grains. Starting your day with a blood sugar stabilizing nutritional combination will help you lose weight. Number 3. Do strength training workouts. Strength training promotes the growth of lean muscular tissue, which burns more calories at work and at rest 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The more lean muscle you have, the faster you will lose weight. How do you get started with strength training? Try some push-ups, squats, or lunges. Use free weights to execute easy bicep curls or tricep extensions in the comfort of your own home or office. If you want, include some new abs, arm, back, and leg routines. Strength training, 3 to 4 times per week, can result in significant improvements in not just weight reduction, but also in range of motion, stability, and posture. Number 4. Eat slowly and deliberately. Slowing down to concentrate on the flavor, textures, warmth, and sense of your food will help you eat less. However, mindful eating also entails paying close attention to what you're eating and when you're eating it. This may help you discover unneeded nibbling moments that you may not know you're indulging in throughout the day that may be adding extra calories. Try to avoid consuming things that you did not select for yourself. Consider food pushes at work or leftovers from your children. Recognizing where your additional calories are coming from is another step in making better, short, and long-term decisions. Number 5. Consume more coffee. Begin your day with a cup of coffee. Caffeine is a natural diuretic that can help with bloating, as well as a good source of antioxidants that can help protect your cells from harm. According to the Dietary Guidelines for Americans, you can consume up to 400 milligrams per day, which is equivalent to a venti Starbucks coffee. You're not a big coffee drinker, are you? Tea is a natural diuretic, and herbal teas, such as dandelion or fennel root, can also help. In fact, when researchers compared the metabolic impact of green tea to that of a placebo in a recent study, they discovered that green tea users have burnt around 70 more calories in a 24-hour period. Number 6. Avoid sugary drinks. We just do not feel satisfied by liquid calories in the same way that we do with actual food. A glass of juice or a caramel coffee drink isn't as filling as a bowl of veggie and protein-packed stir-fry. Skipping sugary drinks is typically the simplest method to lose weight quickly, and it's also beneficial for things like heart health and diabetes prevention. So keep an eye on your use of juice, soda, sweetened coffee and tea, and alcoholic beverages. If you drink each of those beverages during the day, you'll have consumed at least 800 more calories by the end of the day, and you'll still be hungry. Incidentally, alcohol may inhibit fat metabolism, making it more difficult to burn those calories. Number 7. Add spicy foods to your diet. And yes, we are serious. It can genuinely help you lose weight. This is because capsaicin, a chemical found in jalapeno and cayenne peppers, may stimulate your body's production of stress hormones, like adrenaline, which might improve your capacity to burn calories. Furthermore, consuming spicy peppers may assist you in eating more slowly and avoiding overeating. Aside from spicy peppers, ginger and turmeric are excellent alternatives. Number 8. Sleep early. There's a lot of studies that show getting less than the recommended amount of sleep every night, which is roughly 7 hours, will slow down your metabolism. Furthermore, while you're up for extended periods of time, you're more prone on eating midnight snacks. So don't skimp on your sleep, and you'll be rewarded with a competitive advantage when it comes to reducing weight. Number 9. Make a food journal. People who document everything they eat, especially those who log while eating, are more likely to lose weight and keep it off in the long run, according to research. According to a 2019 study published in Obesity, the practice also takes less than 15 minutes each day, on average. Begin monitoring using an app, such as MyFitnessPal, or a conventional notepad. It will assist you in staying accountable for what you consume. Plus, when it's written down in front of you, you can quickly see parts that may require some work. Number 10. Take a stroll. Exercising at any time is helpful, but evening activity may be especially advantageous because many people's metabolisms slow down towards the end of the day. 30 minutes of aerobic activity before dinner boosts your metabolic rate and may maintain it raised for another 2 or 3 hours after you stop moving. Furthermore, it will help you relax post-meal so that you are not tempted by stress-induced nibbling, which can pile up calories. Number 11. Refrain from skipping a meal. You will not lose weight quicker if you skip meals. If your day is too chaotic for a sit-down meal, carry a piece of fruit and a pack of nut butter in your vehicle or purse, as well as snacks in your desk drawer. Anything to keep you from getting hungry. Going without meals for extended periods of time harms our healthy eating attempts by slowing down our metabolism and preparing us for a binge later in the day. Imagine you've skipped breakfast and lunch, and you're ready to devour a whole turkey by dinner. Make it a goal to eat 3 meals and 2 snacks every day, and don't go more than 3 to 4 hours without eating. If necessary, set a snack alarm on your phone. Number 12. Eat plenty of water. Sure, drinking enough water can help with bloating, but you can and should also eat meals with high water content. Cucumbers, tomatoes, melons, asparagus, grapes, celery, artichokes, pineapple, and cranberries all have diuretic characteristics and can help you stay full due to their high fiber content. Number 13. Consume mineral-rich meals. Potassium, magnesium, and calcium can assist to counteract bloating causing salt. Potassium-rich foods include leafy greens, and most orange foods like oranges, sweet potatoes, carrots, and melon. Bananas, tomatoes, and cruciferous vegetables, particularly cauliflower. Low-fat dairy, as well as nuts and seeds, can also help you get rid of bloat. They've also been linked to a whole host of additional health benefits, such as lowering blood pressure, controlling blood sugar, and reducing risk of chronic disease overall. Number 14. Allow yourself to be excused. Many of us can't resist the urge to kick ourselves when we eat too much or indulge in something we know we shouldn't. The problem is that this just makes losing weight more difficult, frustrating, and even impossible. When it comes to healthful eating, moderation is the key to fueling your body with nutritious foods and maintaining a healthy weight for the long haul. So, instead of beating yourself up for consuming foods you know you shouldn't, let it go. Allowing yourself to eat, breathe, and indulge in roughly 200 calories of pleasure each day, or anything that seems indulgent to you, can help you remain on track for the long haul. So eat, breathe, and enjoy. Food should be enjoyable, not painful. We hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a little love by hitting the like icon. Let us know what you think about it, or if we missed any tips that you find helpful, please let us know by commenting down below. And kindly share this video with your friends. And if you want to turbocharge your weight loss process, you may want to check this review out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.